बुरा ना मानो, it's Holi hai. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all happy Holi. And for my Australian fans, happy Color Festival. So as you all know, I'm posting my video every Friday. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and put the notification button on so you never miss out my video. So here in Australia, government celebrate this festival as a color festival near to Darling Harbour. Today my video is all about skincare and hair care before playing and after playing Holi. So without wasting our time, let's get started. I'm starting with hair care. This is my homemade hair oil which I'm going to apply all over my hair, scalp to end, to protect my hair from powder color chemicals. A very important step, sunscreen. If you don't apply, then don't go and play Holi. This sunscreen is from Mecca Cosmetica SPF 30 to protect my skin from suntan. Another sunscreen from Banana Boat Sports SPF 50 to protect my all over body skin from suntan. Applying Go To Face Hero to protect my face and body to get stained from colors. It is terrifically powerful and fantastic lightweight oil, so you won't feel sticky. So after playing Holi and getting color all over your face, body, hair, these are the steps to protect your skin, hair from damages. Step 1. Use waterproof makeup remover to remove makeup from your eyelids. Next step is to give a nice and gentle scrub to your skin. Here I am using Drunk Elephant Cleanser to dissolve my makeup, sunscreen and impurities. It comes with Bamboo Booster Exfoliant which gives gentle exfoliation and removes all stubborn stains. Take pea size of amount along with bamboo scrub, rub it into your palm and gently apply on face in circular motion. Remove cleanser with damp towel. To detoxifying and brighten up my skin, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Clay Mask and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with water. To get the bounce back on your face, use any sheet mask. I'm using L'Oreal Paris Replumping Mask, which is with high dosage of hyaluronic acid. It will plump and smooth the skin. A very gentle body scrub from Sephora will take out all the colors and stain from the body skin. To keep the moisture on the place, I am using Tony Moly aloe vera gel to soothe my skin. Now it's time for hair. I'm using sulfate and paraben free L'Oreal Paris Series Expert shampoo and hair mask to prevent my hair from any damages. And last but not the least, in damp hair apply Olaplex bonding oil which will repair my hair and give strength. So this is all about Holi skincare and hair care. Hope you like this video. Put the thumbs up. See you all next Friday. Bye.